So he's got lots of experience and he knows these things are cyclical, right? And there's patterns behind them. That's why he's moving into commodities. He's moving into hard assets.
Things that are generally a bit slower.
Yep. Well, he knows the profit margins will erode and that will be less returns, right? So you've got to make sure you're in the right areas. And commodities have been shown to outperform in high inflation and those periods where the stock market falls.
Yeah. Well, people are always going to buy Mitsubishis, right?
Well, they're always going to use commodities, right? Oil, iron ore. They mightn't use as much, but the price is still going to be expensive.
Yeah, they'll still get used.
Yep.
What have we got here? Inside. Oh, here we go. Insider selling. Who's the? Is it Pelosi? Over in America, what's her name? The
Nancy Pelosi.
Yeah, Pelosi.
Oh, yeah, the Democrat.
And she's just she nails it every year somehow.
Yeah,
It's weird, that, isn't it?
Well, yeah. Talk about corporate insiders. Talk about bloody political insiders.
Yeah.
But just again, when corporate insiders are dumping their shares, you might have a good idea. Now, just to update that, go and have a look at the Tesla directors.
Right? They all sold.
Yeah, the Australian who runs that, Robin Denholm, sold $80 million worth of shares, right? And the three other directors have all flicked about 20 million, 10 million. So in other words, Elon's out there going to people, hey, hold on to my shares, everything, we got a bright future. Meanwhile, the board's getting around, dumping shit overboard as quick as they go. Keep talking, Elon. Right? Come and buy my shares.
Sell into that liquidity.
That's exactly right. So that's where people need to be a bit careful and watch what's going on there.
Yeah. And then Thursday we're talking about valuations.
The move out of US. Europe this year has outperformed America. And at some stage that will probably continue on, right? And it's what we're saying, that there's a lot of foreign money in US stocks that may have to be sold down to go home. One of the theses put forward by a really clever guy called Russell Napier, who people should Google on or YouTube it. He's got some really good stuff and a great book, two great books actually. But he's saying that what will happen is countries will need to get money to build, like the military defence and infrastructure, right?